Okay, we're going to use the Videoshop app for some quick video editing. This is a free app available in the App Store. I'm going to click the plus sign at the top. I can either record video fresh or I can import video that is already recorded that I have saved to my camera roll. So as you know, I recommend shooting in your camera app and then just saving it. And then you can go back later like we are right now and importing it into Videoshop to edit and make any changes we want to make. So once you've selected the video you want to use, just import it into the Videoshop app. It might take a little bit, but just be patient. And then you have a whole bunch of options available to you. My go-tos are to add music, and the music options available to you are either the popular ones right now within the app. We're just playing hide and seek. Me recommending some of the most used TikTok songs right now. So you can just select use after you want and add it to your video track. If I go back, I can also choose video music by emotion, by the feeling I want to convey to the audience. I can select music from my phone. There's just a whole bunch of options available to you depending on how you want your video to feel. So I'm going to go back out of this and I'm going to show you a couple of the other options available to you here in Videoshop. So you have other options like trimming if you want to like snip off the end in the beginning, if you want to cut it in the middle and take out a place where you made an error. You have all of those functions available here inside the app. You can add text, you can filter it, add stickers, transitions. One of my favorite things is to adjust the speed so you can speed it up so it looks super fast or slow it down and make a slow-mo. You can do that however it works. Obviously for this one, it's probably not going to. If you have clips of videos or photos, you can add transitions so that it switches in between those. One of my favorite things, and I'm using it right now, is to do a voiceover, especially for a tutorial. This is super helpful. You just record your voice over top of the video. Okay, so you can play around with it, and if you add that little plus sign down at the bottom, you can add more videos. But what I'm going to do is save. So I clicked on that down arrow at the top, selected save to camera roll, and there you have it.